Show us what you've got.
Yeah, that's the leg.
It's an all black jersey.
The all black jersey.
That's what you got from Monday.
Thank you.
Show it. Open it up.
Yeah, one more.
Le Manu. Show us. Oh, me. Can I have a look? The black one looks better. Can I have a look? Yeah, look. That's a bit big for you, Mum. Auntie, I think it'll fit me. Keep it clean. Keep it white, man. How much was it?
So you got to take it to another place.
Black is really nice. Yeah. Are you going to wear it tomorrow?
They
That's nice.